Why do my clothes smell bad after washing? You normally enjoy the fragrance of clean laundry, but if your clothing comes out of the washer with a somewhat unpleasant scent, there's a problem. The odor is usually a cross between mold, mildew, and stale mustiness, and it has made its way into your clothes. Here is a list of simple fixes to common laundry odor problems. 1. Leaving clothes in the washing machine for an excessive amount of time. We toss our clothes into the wash, put it to wash for a cycle, and then leave it there for hours or even the following day. This is the most prevalent cause of foul-smelling laundry. The odor-causing germs will develop on your clothes if you leave them to ripen in the washer. Keep in mind that your washing machine is frequently a warm, humid environment, which encourages the quick growth of germs, mold, and mildew. Allowing damp garments to sit in the washer for too long is not a good idea. 2. Allowing dirty clothes to linger for too long in the hamper before washing them. Allowing moisture to remain in your garments might result in a musty odor. Don't mix sweaty gear or used bath towels with dry stuff when you arrive home from the gym or finish drying off after a shower. To minimize bacterial growth and erase the sour odor, wash sweaty items as soon as possible. To get rid of odor-causing germs, wash clothes in hot water. 3. The leftover residue of fabric softeners. If you use fabric softener, this might be the source of the odor in your laundry. Softeners include oils that make your clothing feel soft, but the oily coating also collects detergent residue, dirt, mildew, and bacteria, resulting in stinky laundry. 4. Buildup of detergent on your clothes. Detergent is obviously required to wash and clean our clothes. When you use too much soap in your washing machine, it becomes difficult, if not impossible, to thoroughly rinse your clothes. As detergent residue accumulates on your clothes, it attracts dirt and bacteria. It's possible that you don't need as much detergent as you think. Double-check that you're using the right amount of detergent for the size of your load. 5. Washing machine is dirty. You might use the appropriate amount of detergent, avoid fabric softeners, take your clothes from the machine and dry them promptly after washing, and yet still have stinky laundry. Unwanted scents can sometimes be caused by your washing machine itself. When your washing machine is dirty, germs, mildew, mold, dirt, and odor will flourish. Each time you put your clothing in the laundry, the odor might be transferred to them. Here is a tip to clean your machine. Fill your detergent drawer with 2 cups of vinegar. While your washer is empty, run it on the longest hot water cycle setting. When it's finished, wipe clean the drum with a sponge. Repeat the hot water cycle to remove any remaining vinegar. Alternatively, if your washer has a sanitize cycle, you can utilize that. Then, keep the door of the washer open. When you're finished with a load of wash, leave the door of your washer open to allow it to air out. Mold thrives in dark, damp environments, so adequate air movement and natural sunshine will help keep it away. 6. The washing machine is overloaded. Clothes require freedom to move, otherwise, they will not be adequately cleaned. So it's possible that the washing machine isn't causing the odor, instead, you're not allowing it to perform its job correctly. It's tempting to fill it as full as possible to reduce load size, but resist the urge and keep your clothes smelling clean. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.